It's a very hot day, warm day, and I'm in the UK, as you can see, unusually very warm. As it gets warm, I just walk into this place which is full of trees, full of tree cover, full of forest cover, and oh dear, I feel so relaxed. I feel so cool. I've never realized the more value of trees, of green cover than I have probably today. The fact is, this place is such a relief. I've been walking for over an hour now. It's very hot, we're on a heat wave, but look, the trees have brought a lot of relief. It's so cool down here. I can immediately sense that the temperature over here in this very place where I am is probably 5 or 6 degrees less, if not 3 or 4. And the fact is, we are talking about deforestation and we are talking about, planting more trees. If we don't, we all are gonna burn the hell. So let's plant more trees and let's cool down the environment, the planet. And that was my message for all of you today. Enjoy the heat wave, enjoy the summer. Hope to see you soon.